Hello everyone. Today we will draw an apple. Let's get started. Black first. Repeat after me, the apple shape is very simple. Draw a stem with a leaf. Coloring time. Red. I love fun drawing, do you? Brown. Green. Wow! We got a real apple. Let's taste it. Yummy yummy! Apples are very juicy and very healthy. They have a lot of useful vitamins. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel and watch other videos. Bye bye.